Hey everybody, this is Joe. Joe's Premium Firewood. Oh, there's Easton Made. There's Joe's Premium Firewood right there. Coming to you live on Thursday, October 19th, 2023. We're here up by the barn. Mike just came here with this load of ash that he cut yesterday. You have to show him this piece, Mike. You see how, check that out. That piece came out of there. It happened on two of them, like a puzzle piece. But with game plan for today, we got 2 deliveries to do. Mike's putting the wood in there for my mom that he cut her. And we got to load up my truck with a Joe cord. I bought some of this wood here from my brother that I'm going to sell. I'm trying to get his stuff mixed in so I don't deplete mine. So I'm paying him $25 for this, and then I'm going to sell it for $40. It's part of the load, but we're going to get a Joe cord in there. Hey, there's Brad McGurk. Look at Mike sending pieces at me. Hey, Brad, what year is that truck of yours? Mike and I were wondering. It looked like about a 94 or 95, something like that. Oh, thanks for the stars. Say thanks, Brad.
Thanks, Brad.
You like Brad's truck?
Yeah, I like it.
That red one? He got it looking nice, didn't he?
I like to have it.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna split out of his truck. You can go ahead and fire it up, Mike. Let it warm up. We're gonna split out of here. It's probably gonna take about 2 rows or so, 2.5, and then we're gonna split this back in. Mike's gotta deliver a half cord to a loyal customer, and then did you turn off the choke? Mike's got to deliver a half cord to a customer on the way home for $250. And then I got to go, the Joe cord that I'm delivering, I'm getting paid $220 for that. I got to wait for the lady's kids to come home. That's why we're starting late today. Her son will be home at 3 o'clock, and he's going to help deliver. He's going to help stack it, so I won't charge her a stacking fee if her kids help me. But I can't go to their house till 3 o'clock, so I'm going to go down there, get some lunch, and then go deliver it. And then I think it's supposed to be raining by then, but it's going to be inside a garage. But I better get over there and help Mike. There's Lino's here. Randy Clay. Yeah, 95. That's what I thought. 94 or 95. Nice looking truck, and that diesel engine sounds good. Kind of like my brother's old truck. He had I think it was a 94. His old red one that he painted and looked like Captain America's truck with a USA flag. But yeah, it rained overnight. The rain stopped for now. But like I say, I want to get Mike on his way home. I didn't think this guy was going to deliver for me. They bought a lot of wood from me last year, and then in the middle of winter he stopped ordering from me. So I figured they got somebody else, and then he calls me today and says, or 2 days ago, he says he's just about out. And I'm like, why'd you stop buying from me? Then he said the nephew that was ordering it's in jail. So yeah, you know that Rusty guy, the younger guy that's about my age. You know, the uncle's probably, what, 70-something? Yeah, I guess Rusty's in jail. Craig told me that they spent time in prison like 20 years ago. Said he recognized his name. Something to do with marijuana, I guess, but I don't know what he's in there now. Seen that coming. But Mike's got to watch his thumb. He's got it taped up, but he you know, he's already fell down today. He's looking to get a workman's comp, I think. What do you think, Rogala? Rogala says you're trying to get a workman's comp from me. I don't know if Rogala's here or not today. I haven't heard from Rogala. He's been awful quiet. Yeah, look at, that's cool how that does that, you know, a piece inside of a piece. You know, look how perfectly round that is.
That was perfect.
Yeah. But teamwork today. I guess whatever, if Mike doesn't get enough to fill his truck up, I think I might throw in some of my brother's oak, because this guy actually does heat with it. I told him, you know, he called me 2 days ago, and then he was like expecting me to come right then, and I'm like, dude, you're not ordering pizza. I go, I'll see if I can get it to you Thursday. All depends if he comes up here, because it's on his way home. So Mike's been there about 3 or 4 times, so he should know how to get there by now. You do, right? You know how to get there. It's near where his mom lives, so his old stomping grounds. But I think this is the third load this customer's ordered from me. Yeah. Anybody want to know what premium is? What premium firewood is? Right here. Look at that. 16 inches. Perfect triangle. Perfect size split. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, let's get that one out of the way for Mom. I think we got a fire going today. Not that cold out. It's like 50. Yeah, Mike found a bunch of trees in that woods where he's been cutting at. He cut a stub down yesterday, and he said there's a big one there would make a good video, so I think we're going to have to go down and live stream that. I'll go down to help you cut a load sometime, Mike. This is gonna, yeah, I've seen that. Watch your thumb. Everybody's watching. What's Mike going to hurt today? Yeah, he fell down when we were loading this wood for my brother, but it's kind of, his dock sections are kind of slippery and they're broken, and he like stepped on it, and when they're wet, slippery when wet. Mike proved that today. Fell down on his hands and knees, and I'm like, just don't hit the thumb. Well, we're going to have this filled for Mom in about 5 minutes. Got to start finding some solid pieces, Mike. Hopefully they're in there. I know fills are solid. Yeah, this customer was one of my second longest my longest buying customer. She's been buying for me since March of 2011. Referred her next door neighbor to me, so she's watch the thumb, Mike. Everybody's placing bets. Oh, at what time? What time is Mike gonna smash his finger? When's Mike gonna get hurt? We're gonna be 20 minutes into the video, 18 minutes in. Everybody's placing their bets. Hopefully you're about done with these knotty ones, because it's like, I think with more's going into the wheelbarrow than's going into the truck. But pieces that go into the truck are good. Be an all-nighter. Yeah, get some. Oh, got another knotty one. Oh, this is still the same one. Yeah, it looks like there's one more knotty one in there. That one, that's gonna. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, it's got knots in it. Yeah. Yep. Mom's going to be happy today. She's going to get a couple wheelbarrow loads. But that's what happens. Send it. There you go. Well, I'm going to have to swap this wheelbarrow out. It's pretty much full. Hopefully find some straight pieces. You might not hear the sound for a minute, but I'll be back because I'm the one wearing the microphone. I'll be back. Gotta take this up to Mom. Mom needs some firewood too. All right, got Mom some wood. Looks like it's pretty solid. It's coming through there. It's starting to fill up the truck pretty quick. I'll come check the chat out. Got another 50 stars. Easy money, Michael Volk. Look how much we got in there already. Look, Mike's still got a lot left in his truck. Hey, Rogala's here. Say hi, Rogala. All right, my brother's got this wheelbarrow full of crap. So I gotta go dump this. And maybe I get back over there. But usually don't fill up the wheelbarrow in 2 minutes like we did today. All right, I'm back. How much wood we got for Mom now? You watch it, Craig Wilson? Mike likes you, Craig Wilson. I think he likes you better than Rogala. Look at this piece. That's one from Phil. Look how solid this is. We're not getting pieces for Mom out of this stuff. Look at that. But look how short it is. But short's better than too long. Now we got some good stuff. Look at this. Hopefully we don't get blood all over the pieces today.
Yeah, you're funny.
It adds heat to the wood. There you go. Still got blood stains on the hookaroon. But if you're going to do firewood, you're going to get hurt eventually. It's just no ways about it. It's just how bad a hurt you get. You know, people keep saying, oh, you should have been dead 10 years ago. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. It's calculated risk, folks. Common sense. Common sense keeps me alive. Keeps Mike alive, too. Right, Mike?
Yeah.
Yeah, he found a bunch of dead trees out there, you know, back in the woods that I used to play in as a kid. Nobody seems to care if he goes out there and cleans up all these dead ash trees. You know, I have to do that. I have to find stuff that's ready to burn. I'm not going to tap into bay 1 or 2 unless I absolutely have to. Yeah, this one came out of that center. Look how solid this is. Tell me that's junk. I'm thinking this next row, that might fill it up, Mike. This next row, that might be enough for it. Remember, we stacked this in the back so we don't have to go as high as the normal Joe cord. This one I want 3 pieces out of. That one you split in half. Got a big void right here. Try to get pack some down in there where I got this stacked at. Here we go. Stack some up in this corner too. Usually up by the front I stack it, I don't know, about a foot high. Make sure we get a full Joe cord in here. That's what she's paying me the $220 for. Well, yeah, sales today, $250 when Mike's fulfilled. But I'm going to be paying him about $180 or something for the load he brought me, for this load, and then for delivering the load and help me split. But this is going to go into the garage and sit a couple weeks. I can see some of these are a little bit wet on the inside, but it is ash. It sits in the garage for 2-3 weeks, it'll be fine. Ash dries quick. I see Brad got a big load of ash at his landing. That stuff should be ready, Brad, for your bundle wood. If you're still watching, that'll be ready real quick. You need wood. It looks like you're real low. You got what, 5 bundles left in your stand? My bundles have slowed down, but still they're still selling. I think camping season usually ends around Halloween, because by then it's, you know, we could start getting snow. Make sure you hit that. Oh, watching live, we got some more stars. Appreciate that. I think my brother needs more. All right, was Jason here? Say hi to Jason. Backyard Firewood. Not Sagar. Not Sagar. Not your old boss. But it could be Jason Lee. It could be a lot of them. I couldn't really tell. I'm guessing, or yeah, probably Backyard Firewood. Yeah. Did you see he went to the Lions game? He was at the Lions game this weekend in Tampa Bay.
Good for him.
There's a lot of Lions fans there. And guess who the Lions are going to beat this week, Brad? That's right, the Ravens. Brad and I, we got a bet on it.
I think the Ravens are going to lose.
Brad and I got a friendly bet where if Detroit beats the Ravens and Michigan beats Maryland in a couple of weeks, then Brad's got to send me a hat and a whiskey glass. But I think I'd have him send a t-shirt for Mike instead, if I win. But I got to have both things happen. If Baltimore wins and Michigan wins, it's a tie. I think the Ravens are favored by 3. Should be a good game Sunday. I'm ready for it. I do got a delivery to do Sunday, but it's local. Yeah, the Ravens choked against the Steelers. Brad and Jack were listening to it coming home from the Paul Bunyan on the radio. They dropped about 20 passes.
Yeah, I know. You can't run the ball all the time.
Yeah. And, you know, you can't blame that on Lamar Jackson because the balls were there. Everybody kept dropping them. So, but if Brad wins, if Baltimore wins, and Maryland wins, Then I'm gonna have Bill make Brad a custom hoodie, a JPF and Firewood at the Furnace custom hybrid hoodie. Nice shot. I was looking right at that hole too. That takes skill, folks. That takes years of throwing firewood. It went right in there. Fit like a glove too. Yeah, these are dry. I think we need to go a little bit more. You need to move some of them up. Yeah. Oh, this is the stub? Yeah. It's good and dry. Yeah, I might help him move some of them up. Well, I guess he could. Looks like he could reach it with the hookaroon. But we got some stacked in the back here. I'm getting real close. We're gonna get real close. Now he can just move the bunch up with the hookaroon. It's Tammy Eden's here. This one, I don't know. This one might do it. Pretty good size. Well, we're getting some. That's not bad though. Just a few sprinkles. We can handle that. Yeah, I think the rain's coming from Indiana. Rogala's sending it to us. Said that'll help Mike's thumb out. I don't know if Billy Otis watching. I think it's time for a union break. Got my favorite flavor today, grape. We got grape today. One more. Yeah. Almost lost it. Yeah, when it splits that fast, there's no flange here to hold them up. Now, we're gonna, after we get this piece split into my truck, we gotta split back into Mike's truck. But I got this, deliver this after 3 o'clock today, but I wanted to get it full. That's good, Mike. Start pulling them forward. I'll stack it. Gotta get them in here. We stacked the back row, so I'd say that looks like a Joe cord to me. We just eyeball things around here, folks. We don't got time to measure it. Nobody got time for that. The limbwood we can just leave in here, Mike. Now these are dry. This is a stub. What was it, about 40 foot tall or so? 30, 40 foot. This is dry. And we'll mix it in with some oak from my brother. Yep. Good thing you got that headache rack. Yeah, because we'll be throwing them up there far. So we gotta go right back into the truck. Yeah, this takes a little bit of work, but I'd rather do this and split it on the ground than have to pick every piece off the ground. Mike, you like picking them off the ground? No. I don't either. I mean, it's good exercise, and yeah, we both got barrels and we need exercise. Well, we ain't entering no belly bopping contest like Mike did with Firewood Doctor Jeffrey Ormstein. Heard that's going to be a pay-per-view event. Be the Firewood belly bopping contest.
I won't win that one, sorry.
No, Jeffrey will push you out so fast. There we go. There's Joe Cord in my truck, and now we gotta take care of Mike's truck. We ain't playing games. Tammy, oh, you love to split wood, Tammy? There we go. I think you can see, keep them thumbs up coming. That one probably needs to be hit again. Yeah, that's all right. Out of the truck and back into the truck. Got to get an oversized truckload in his, which was about a half cord. For people that know how to measure it. My hater Isaac, I can't think of his last name. I think it's Walker or something like that. He said that what was in Mike's truck today was like 1/4 of a cord. So it's 6 foot by 4 foot stack. There's that much in there now still.
Yeah. For sure.
Hit that one again. Yeah, they don't know how to measure. I think he's in Canada, and so he's probably getting confused with the metric system. Maybe a bush cord and a cord in America and a cord in Canada is different. I thought they were all the same. But, I mean, maybe he is just that ignorant. I think he's just that ignorant, too. Hey, look at this. All this splitting, nothing in there. But you remember, you did have a bunch on the back for my mom. It wasn't just what you split.
Not very much.
Got to get these shipments out. Orders keep streaming in. No, I've had a delivery every day except last Tuesday. For I don't know, for about maybe 18 out of the last 19 days. So today is going to be 2 deliveries. I'm going to do probably do a half truckload tomorrow. Then I think I'm going to go buy a load from Phil. I've left Saturday open so far. But Easter famine and October is October feasting right now. Yeah, Mike and I ran to the store before we came here or started this. Guy was there and he was delivering stuff to him. He's like, I do firewood too. I go, yeah, we move a little bit of firewood. We move a little bit of firewood, wouldn't you say, Mike? Remember that guy at the store?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, I bet I sell more than you guys. Yeah. Jason Sager said he's putting us out of business because he moved to Hastings. He moved to Hastings. I might try working on this side. Kind of hard to grab him back there. I just got to throw them over Mike's head. These are definitely dry. That's a long ways I got to throw them. I want to block your camera view. No stacking here. I know Firewood at the furnace likes it when he can split right up the conveyor and into his dump trailer and take it right to the customer instead of driving back there and then spending an hour stacking it. Even though it is a good job for Brady and and Taylor. Well, if it's green oak, you got no other choice but to do it like that. So far, so good. Mike hasn't hurt his finger, so if you bet 30 minutes, you lost. I'm sure Regalo's probably betting 5 minutes. There's still quite a bit of rounds still in there. He's got to move some of them up because we're starting to fill that area up. We just eyeball things around here, save time. Sure, we're pretty close. You know, there might be a 5% difference between load to load, like from the most we'd send or the least we'd send. There's a wasp flying around Mike's head. Gonna place bets on if he gets stung too. Well, tell me these don't split fast. When you get this nice straight stuff, right, Mike? You like splitting this stuff. Yeah, I know. When Mike starts dropping trees, we need to go make some videos. Mike don't know what he's doing. Yeah, Mike got his brother Scott to help him with this yesterday. Tried to get old George to help him, the 15-year-old or however old he is, but he don't want to get out of bed, dropped out of school, don't want to work. So, I don't know. I don't know what he's going to be doing. If you don't want to go to school, you're going to be doing this, folks. But you got to have a hard work ethic. You got to have a good work ethic. Does George have a good work ethic, Mike? Mike's stepson, if you're wondering who it is, who George is. Here. Mike said there's a lot of ash trees out in that woods. I'm gonna have to go walk the woods with him. Been like, I don't know, probably over 25 years since I've been in those woods. Mom sold the house in 2001. Yeah. Probably before that, probably in the late 90s, last time I've walked through that woods. Yep, it's sprinkling, but I think we can handle it. We've worked the worst weather, Mike. We'll definitely mix in some oak with these. Some of these are kind of soft. We'll get some of my brother's oak. I get that one. There's the one I wanted to get. There you go. Now we got open up some more room back in there. I'm gonna go drop some in that corner here. Put that in half. Now give me both pieces. Yep, it's raining, but I just don't want it to affect the microphone. This camera angle okay? I'll put you sideways again. You can see both of us. You want to look at the back of my head. Looks like it's still coming through. Yeah, we should be done by noon. We should have them both loaded. We should have them both loaded, Craig Wilson. You can see we got mine loaded already. Now we're working on Mike's. You have a great day too, Craig. Unless you were talking to somebody else. I hope they have a great day too. Yeah, if he mixes these pieces with that, my brother's oak, it'll burn fine. I want you to back in over there, Mike. We'll get that oak back in there. The ones that aren't 10 feet long. Still injury free. We're almost done. Hell, this has almost been an hour. We got 2 loads already. See what happens? We got 2 guys working. One guy doesn't have to do the throwing. That time adds up quick. Okay, it's play today, Rogala. Sorry to disappoint you. Yeah, I would have liked to put some into bay 2 to start banking, but you know, we're selling it faster than Mike and Phil can cut it. You know, for the longest time, Phil was always hounding me. Can you buy some wood, Joe? I need you to buy some wood. I need you to get this wood out of here. Buy this wood from me. I'm like, I have no orders. I go, Phil, but things are going to change in the fall, and I'm going to be hounding you and see how you like it. Phil, when are you getting me some wood? Phil, why don't you cut me another load? I need a load, Phil. Come on, Phil. I just try not to hound anybody, and I don't expect to be hounded myself. Might get some pieces for Mom out of this one. No, look at it. It's solid. Got one more after this one. Well, we probably got this done in under an hour. I told that guy, I go, Mike will probably be there somewhere between noon and 2 o'clock. It looked like it was going to rain in the morning. I told Mike not to wait, hold off on coming early. He got here about 10 o'clock. Yeah. Same with this. Yeah. Well, we'll probably stop recording once we gotta put this stuff away, and then we're gonna go top it off, throw into Mike's truck. Now I'm gonna go take a shower, go out to lunch, and then do my delivery. Going to Wings, etc. Have some buffalo wings. Last one, Mike. Hit the gas. Now you can put that away. Hey. I don't know. We started shortly after 11. It's got to be about noon now. What do you think? There's Mike's load. There's mine. Mine's a Joe cord. I'm getting $220 for that. Delivered and stacked. Customer's gonna help me stack it. Oh, Michael Volk's still here. So I wonder if he got his hoodie yet. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just top this off with some oak in there. Some of these are a little foamy, a little bit too dry, but you know, you mix it with some of that oak over there, and then it'll be just fine, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
So let's get this stuff put away. We got to take the stuff up to put Mom's wood up there. We already got her a wheelbarrow load. I can't really see that, but so yeah, we want to get this done. My delivery's inside, but his is outside, so I know he wants to get it done before. You want to unload this in the rain?
No.
Not really. So all right, we'll top it off with some stuff from my brother, but thanks everybody for watching. Thanks everybody who makes it to the end. Thanks for the thumbs up. Thanks for the stars. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, Mike. Bye.